Welcome back. Welcome back to episode 2. I got a lot of things to tell you guys, a lot of updates. And it's starting off, the PC from first episode hasn't sold. It's actually still sitting on my workbench right now. I ended up pulling it out of the box, doing more testing on it to show videos to people that were interested. It hasn't sold. I've had a lot of interest on it. It just hasn't sold. I initially posted the day after, which was on the 24th of February, is when I posted the listing on Facebook Marketplace for $450. Essentially, I got like maybe 3 or 4 messages within that first week of it being posted. On day 5, I ended up posting it on OfferUp. And OfferUp wasn't very much of an interest. I maybe got like 2 messages after I posted it. On day like 9, I ended up just dropping the price down to $400. In doing that, I got more interest on Facebook Marketplace actually. And Facebook Marketplace, the interest is there, but there's a lot of lowballs. A lot of trades. I had like a couple messages of people trying to trade for like an Xbox One, a PS5. Another guy wanted it for $200.
Bruh.
And then I got like a lot of messages of like dirt bikes, like mini dirt bikes. I don't know what is going on with them, but like every other message that I got, it was like, dude, would you trade for a dirt bike, for a mini bike, for parts for a mini bike? And I was just like, nah, man. Sorry. I do have one lady who messaged me who wants to buy it for her kid. She messaged me like 2 days ago, and she said that she was probably going to have the money within this week. If she does, then I would officially sold the PC for $400, which is what I've had it for a couple days now. I ended up posting it on Jawa as well. Initially, I had it at $452. Within like the first 5 days, I ended up dropping it down to $420, and it's still posted there, but it hasn't sold. But yeah, initially I posted the PC for $276.96. And initially that total is wrong. I actually built it for $252.13. So initially the profit for that would probably be, I don't know, like 100 and I know it, if I'm doing the math right, I think 120 something right now at the 252.13 total, which is not bad. It's actually pretty good profit if I sell it. Apart from that though, I've ended up picking up more parts throughout those 12, I think it's been like 2 weeks almost, since my last episode and my last upload. I ended up getting some stuff that I ordered from AliExpress. I ordered some RGB fan controllers. I ordered some cable mods or cable extensions. I ended up picking up a couple different things. I ended up picking up a Actually, I think it'd just be easier to show you guys. So moving on from my desk, I forgot to mention that I actually picked this up like 2 days ago. It's the H510 NZXT case. I picked this up brand new on my local Facebook Marketplace for $40. Granted, I had to drive like 30 minutes, but I mean, $40, brand new case. Like,
Nice.
and apart from that, I have a little mess right here on my desk. Throw that over there. I ended up picking up this Wi-Fi dongle. Not bad. It's really not that bad. it could have been worse, low-key, but I ended up getting this brand because the other brand that I bought initially, it sucked. I have 1 gig internet and the speeds were atrocious. So I just ended up being like, yo, you know what? Get rid of it, returning it, and we're getting this one. This one's way better. And I think it's on sale right now still, so there's that. I ended up picking up also from Amazon some CMOS batteries since that Mechanist motherboard from AliExpress doesn't have one. I ended up picking also up some extra thermal paste, some Cryonaut, to add to my everlasting Noctua thermal paste. Thing lasts forever, man. I've used it. I've cleaned my PC multiple times with that thermal paste. And then I also bought some AM4 brackets because the X570 motherboard that I bought it only had 1 bracket. I was like, yeah, no. So I ended up buying this just in case. You know, you can never have extra things. But apart from that, I ended up picking up 2 RGB controllers for the fans. I ended up picking up one in white and then the other one in black. The other thing I ordered was 2 sets of cable mods, some extensions. I ended up picking up two in black and 2 in white, which is pretty insane. I think I picked these up for like $8 each on AliExpress. Like, that's not bad, bro. And then I ended up picking up this today. I ended up grabbing some DDR4 16 gigabyte kit, 3600 megahertz. Initially the guy had it, he used it for 64. No, 32. He used it for 32. I ended up snagging these for $25 each because he wanted 50 for it, which is not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Not a bad deal. But yeah, I also ended up putting some of these stuffs on there in case I need to take pictures. I bought a little desk mat for the desk. It's granite, so it's been sitting outside and it got a little dirty. But apart from that, yeah, here's the PC that I built in last episode that hasn't sold. But yeah, I ended up also picking up some shipping boxes from some lady. She was giving them for free, including a medium-sized roll of bubble wrap. But yeah, I mean, other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Yeah,